Hey, it's William. So this video will be a little bit different than the normal video. This is my room. I normally use this as a the background. Okay, this is like a green screen that I can move it up and down. Okay, this is my bike, life cycling. And recently I started running and work out a little bit. The reason I make this video is that I have like important two announcements to make. Okay, so first announcement, let me just get this up. Okay, the first announcement is that I'm trying to make a hybrid, web comic from today. Okay, I know my drawing is crappy, my art's crappy, my 3D modeling is crappy, but I really want to create something, and I really want to tell a story. So I think, why not start now? Okay, so if I keep practicing, keep all this, improve the skill, but never use all this skill to that specific field, what's the use of this skill? Okay, so even though, say, I can draw a person to perfection, but what the meaning of this if I can't tell a story with that kind of skill? So I think maybe just don't wait for that specific point. When I reach a skill that I'm confident enough to create something, maybe I just create something now and improve along the way, learn and share with you guys, and create with you guys along the way. And that's what I learned, and that's what I thought, what I've been thinking, and what I'm going to do. Okay, so one thing is like a web comic. I may publish that and my Twitter is called X post, and maybe at YouTube is YouTube also can have a post. So our post is like a series by series, something like that. It will be crappy. You have been warned. It will be crappy. Right now, I don't have that like a really mangaka sort of skill. I'm a beginner. Okay, I just learned art for a few months, and that's just to be completely honest with you guys. So this is the first thing, and of course the second thing is really interesting, and I have to explain this to you guys, because it's a little bit controversial, So just hear me out. I know it's a little bit controversial. Okay, so because recently I've noticed a lot of you guys leave in the comment say that you want me to talk about AI, how AI influence artists, and how what's the point of learning art while there's AI evolution going on. And some of you guys want me to talk about some of the AI tools that artists can use. And guess what? Your voice has been heard, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So here is the plan. So I'm trying to kick off a brand new series. It's not like a complete a new step-by-step tutorial, but rather it's just something that connected with AI, and some thoughts, my thoughts about AI, and how to use AI tools. Okay, so there's a controversial part. I know some of you guys may complain, oh no, if an artist using AI, he or she, or the artist is cheating, right? It's just doing the shortcuts without actually putting the hard work. I talk about this while I am outside work and record a voice memo and Patreon. I record voice memo all the time because I keep my mind busy and thinking all the time, and I can't store all that kind of idea in my mind, so I kind of record this and gradually organize your database. That's another software I've been developing, so it can store all this content, your thoughts, your ideas into a system, and using AI to like generate things and compiling all the things so you can like search it. Okay, so it's basically like a digital you something. This is like a project. I previously worked as a programmer in finance finance industry, so it kind of like combine a lot of things. So that's the reason. Okay, go back to the topic. That's the reason why I think I have an advantage to share with you guys about AI, and maybe provide you guys with a different perspective. Okay, and the reason I'm a little bit reluctant, as I said, to do this AI thing, because I know it's very, very controversial. Some of you guys may think, hey, this guy, I'm not currently using AI right now, but if I say make this video, and you guys may like doubt me, say, hey, this guy's is not a real artist. He talk about AI and he make tutorial about AI, and maybe his work is made by AI. Okay, so this is very controversial and very risky for me. But why I'm going to do this? Because first, I think I put community first. If some of you guys want me to talk about it, I will do it. Okay, I will do it for you, even though it may it cost me some of the like a reputation damage. I don't know, the cancel culture or the roasting, because I'm not very familiar with the the culture thing. Okay, so English is not my mother tongue. I try to merge myself into the culture, but I may not custom, I'll not be really familiar with it. But I do believe that human and human interaction, like the community, like you and me, you are watching, right? So the communication and the connection between us is very important, and I put this above my reputation, above all the controversy or maybe the trouble I will be facing, or maybe some people will unsubscribe because I talk about AI, and I have a neutral stand as an artist, self-claimed artist. I'm not, and I just I'll start learning, but you got an idea. But I really put the community above me, so that's the reason why. Even though there's controversial, there is a risk. I will do it for you, okay? As long as maybe some of you can maybe benefit from it, that will be suffice. That will be enough for me, okay? And the second thing, of course, pragmatically speaking, practical point of view. I have a background, working experience in finance as well as programming. So I'm a programmer in the financial industry. I worked for a lot of years, and then I got suddenly unemployed. So I got dive myself into the art. So I have a previous experience of coding, so I can give you a better solution while tackling the same problem. And things I'm doing the programming, doing all this art practice traditionally, digitally, and the AI things combined, and I can give you maybe a different perspective, maybe something more efficient, more ethical doing this. It's not I'm not like a random guy on the internet saying, hey, I'm going to make it rich by using this AI tool. Okay, you can just fake yourself as an artist, right? Doing just a one click, some prompt, and you can generate tens of thousands of stolen images every day, and you can start Instagram and proclaim yourself as an artist and make you hundreds of thousands passive income every day. Okay, I'm not that guy. Okay, I'm a really hard working guy that respect the work of artists, learn art from the hard way, step by step, but I'm also very neutral. I observe all kind of knowledge, and I want to, try and spend my time and maybe trip a little bit, maybe hurt a little bit, maybe waste the time a little bit, but I am going to condense all this for you. So I condense this, I share my experience, I give you a 1 or 2 minutes of takeaway of my say hours of experiment, and then just to share it with you. All right. So that's the from the a practical perspective what I can provide. That's the reason why I decide, even though it's risky, why I decide to add this to the future update of videos. And yeah, and of course, the perspective is a little bit different. So from the perspective, we are not giving you some prop engineering sort of thing, but rather I'm going to show you the AI, the influence of AI, the usage of AI from the perspective of artist, of creator, of a the person who is also influenced and also can benefit from this technology point of view. Okay, I know it's a mouthful, I know it's long, but that's what I meant. Okay, so we are artists, not only completely boycott. I saw some of the artists completely boycott artificial intelligence, and I think that maybe that's a little bit too extreme. As long as the training data is with consent, and you're not using the artificial intelligence work the output and forcefully claim it as yours, and cheat with it, right? Cheat and lie to the audience, say that is your work. As long as you're not doing that, and maybe something that I'm not mentioned, but yeah, just an unethical thing. As long as things ethical, legal, and you should welcome this technology. Okay, that's my point of view. So I'm very neutral here. So the progress of technology is unavoidable. Okay, and it can have a good side while you are a digital artist, or while you are a modeler. It can save you tons of time by quickly generate the background, or give you reference, give you the normal map detail, generating ambient occlusion, and give you inspirations maybe. You don't need to spend hundreds of hours browsing through the pixel, searching Google for a perfect pose, but rather you can just do the pose yourself, okay, and using AI to generate a model, and then to rig that model to a unrealistic angle, okay, in a software. Recently I've done some project that way, and then you can add some grease pencil, or export that into a specific software that you're using to make manga, for example Clip Studio Paint. You can do that. Okay, so this is a completely new streamline, and you can also put your creativity as well as your hard work to it, and you can get a very, very interesting result in a very short time with human input, with the ethical AI. And that's what I'm very excited about this new series. Okay, so yeah, maybe that's pretty much all. That's pretty much all what I'm thinking. So quick takeaway: 2 things. The first thing, I think I just forgot. Okay. The second thing is AI. The first thing is that yeah, comic. Okay. I'm gonna show you how to like do comic, and I'm going to make a comic myself. So it will be crappy. You have been warned. The second thing is that I'm going to start a new series of artificial intelligence, and yeah. So so next time you have been warned as well. So next time when you're browsing the YouTube, say hey, why this guy is start programming? I'm not programming. By the way, I'm not programming. I just use a AI tool, okay, and I'm show you how to combine the AI with the learning process, and of course the working process as well. So whether you are a learner starting out, you can use AI to help you, and if you are like a work in the industry, work in every day, and you're stressing out because you know the workload just too much, or maybe you want to get some side gig, but you don't have time for it, or you want to increase the efficiency but without deteriorating the output, you can use it. Okay, so that's all this video about. Okay, thank you for your time, and don't forget, already make video like nearly 500 and spend thousands of hours working on this channel, but I haven't monetized yet, so there is not even one dime that I earned. I'm currently right now unemployed. I really need your help, so please give this video a thumb up. That's the least you can do, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you want to support me directly, please join the Patreon. Thank you so much. See you next time.